This is Eric, Lonestar Acoustics again, and today I wanted to highlight an installation that we just completed in Everett, Washington, which is a suburb of Seattle. And with this installation, we utilized the Cambridge QT300 control module, allowing for 3 zones of sound masking. As you can see in some of these pictures with the red arrows, there was a really tall ceiling and a reception area of about 20 to 25 feet. So we utilized a lift to get us up to where we needed to be to harvest those ceiling tiles and put the speakers in. Otherwise, the ceiling was just a standard 8 to 9 foot acoustic drop tile ceiling. So just utilized just some normal step ladders for those. But we utilized the 3 zone control module so that we could have a zone for the reception area, a zone for the private offices, and a zone for the open office area. And the system worked exceptionally well for our client. And I actually received this email a few days after the installation. It says, hit this, it says, "Hi Eric, I wanted to let you know that the system you provided has worked wonders for our office environment. Our personnel, even the ones that were skeptical, are amazed that they are aware of conversations but cannot comprehend what is being said. As I explained to them, that is the entire point." So, very, very nice feedback about the system. It does what it says it does. The science and technology behind the system is rock solid. And so it just does a fantastic job of covering over speech, reducing the radius that speech travels from 50 to 60 feet down to about 10 to 15 feet. So if you work in an open office setting, you're not hearing folks 3, 4, 5 cubicle rows away. And then if you have a private office, when you shut a door, you can be assured that what's being said within the 4 walls of that office remain within those 4 walls of the office. So you don't have to worry about any crosstalk coming through the walls or anything like that. So just another satisfied client for Lone Star Acoustics. Let us know if we can help. Sales at lonestaracoustics.com, 972-787-0808.